So before learning how to draw a mandala, we should first learn about the meaning and the history of mandala and mandala art as well. So in the ancient Sanskrit language of Hinduism and Buddhism, mandala is a word that actually means circle. Traditionally, a mandala is a geometric design or pattern that represents the cosmos or deities in various heavenly worlds. Mandala is drawn from the central point and is surrounded by beautiful patterns and decorations that are connected and interrelated. The middle point, that is the central point, is known as the source of the mandala, through which different layers and different patterns are come up, and they are all interrelated and interconnected. Since the word mandala means circle, it is a great symbol to illustrate that life has no end and spirit never disappears or spirit never dies, and everything is just part of the nature of the world and of the divine universe as a whole. Mandala is famously known as a spiritual and ritual symbol in many of the Asian cultures. It was first created by Hindus and then widely adopted by various religions like Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, and so on. Mandala art is mainly created for a meditation purpose, being used to maintain the mind. When practicing mandala art, it allows you to take your mind off of negative things and it allows you to increase positivity in your life. Mandala helps relieve stress and prevent your mind from negative energy and bad energy. When looking at our everyday life, you will see that mandalas are literally everywhere around us, from nature such as flowers, snowflakes, the sun, and water drops, ice, spider webs, the kiwi fruit cut in half, and there are numerous examples where you can find mandalas in nature. It is also found in the cells of living beings to man-made items like clocks, compass, and so on. So basically you will find mandalas anywhere and everywhere around you. You just have to look carefully